Resource Conservation Initiative has undertaken restoration of riverine vegetation and riparian buffers along the banks of River Often and some cocoa farmlands in Anyamfutu and its environs in the Mponua district in the Ashanti region. The restoration in this outside forest reserve riparian area involved the planting of indigenous tree species, namely Mansonia altissima, Opronu, Kaya senegalensis, Dubini, Terminalia superba, Ofram, Terminalia ivorensis, Imre, and Triplotiton sclerosylon, Wawa, with a planting distance of 5 meters by 5 meters. Additionally, there was the planting of some cocoa farmlands with these indigenous tree species to improve the tree cover of the cocoa agroforest mosaic landscapes. These activities form part of the first and second year planting activities under the 6 years project titled Restoration of Degraded Lands and Riparian Vegetation for Improved Climate Resilience, with funding from the World Resources Institute, One Tree Planted, Realize Impact, Barker, VIA Foundation, and Terrafund for AFR 100 program. These activities were undertaken with high labor and services from the local populace, and it involved mainly women planting the seedlings raised from the nurseries of Resource Conservation Initiative. Following these tree planting activities, the GPS locations of the plantings and polygons of these sites have been uploaded by the use of the Flority app onto the Greenhouse, the Terrafund web app for mapping of data collected on sites, harmonization of data attributes and approval for purpose of monitoring to project completion and handing over, scheduled for the 31st of October 2029. The approved polygons and center points will then be pushed to TerraMatch websites for further data processing and management actions. These landscape restoration activities in the forest and cocoa farming communities that constitutes the project sites in Mponua district will reverse deforestation and forest degradation, increase shade trees on cocoa farms, and enhance carbon stocks in the cocoa landscapes, protection of the riverine ecosystems, biodiversity conservation, and mitigation of the negative impact of climate change.